What's up, everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Steeda's strut tower cutting tool and how you properly use one on your S550 Mustang. Let's get right into it. This strut tower cutting tool is a clever design by the folks over at Steeda. Its objective is pretty simple. It enlarges the opening in the strut tower to allow additional negative camber and to adjust coilover kits that have a camber plate that's positioned below the strut tower. By design, these plates are difficult to access because of the small factory opening. This tool incorporates a self-centering design because of the Delrin insert inside of the hole saw that has been precisely machined to fit the opening of the strut tower. The hole saw is intended to cut metal, so the finished result is nice and clean with minimal deburring required. It accepts a 5/8 18 hole saw arbor, and if you don't have one of these, you'll need to head down to the hardware store and add one to your tool arsenal. I would like to point out that this tool is a consumable item. This means that the hole saw, it won't last forever. Once the blades become dull, you'll have to purchase another tool. However, most of you are going to use this once and you're going to toss it in your toolbox. Today we're going to be using this tool on LMR's 2015 Mustang GT. This car attends several high-performance driving events throughout the year, and up to this point, we've only been able to achieve a certain amount of camber. Well, we're going to remedy that today by using Steeda's strut tower cutting tool to enlarge the opening. To begin, assemble the hole saw and the arbor. Insert this into the drill and then tighten the chuck. Open the hood. Pick a side to start with and place some old towels around the strut tower. If you have one, place a fender mat over the fender. Place the hole saw into position and drill the opening using slow RPM. Whenever the hole is cut, remove the large section of metal. Carefully deburr the opening. Carefully remove the towels. Vacuum up the majority of the metal shavings. Remove the fender mat. Then you can use compressed air to blow away the remaining metal shavings. Use a rust prohibitive top coat such as body color touch-up paint or something equivalent to cover the exposed metal. I went ahead and applied a second layer after the first layer had adequate time to dry. You can go ahead and repeat these same steps for the other side. After that, you're good to go. As always, we hope this video has helped you out. For the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference the description or the website. That's all we have for you today. So until we catch you in the next one, for all things S550 Mustang, you know what to do. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.